Hello everyone, I am T. Nallammal, 2nd BA Tamil ABC Mahalakshmi College for Women, Tutukurin. Grammar. Today topic is conjunction. Conjunction description. A conjunction is a words that join two or more words, phrases or glasses together. We should think of conjunction as a gluing words that combine multiple sentences into one. The different types of conjunction. There are three types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Three types conjunction description. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction combine independent classes to make a compound sentence. There are 7 different words that can help you make a compound sentences: for, and, nor, but, or, yes, so. Coordinating conjunction. Example: 2 sentences. I like brownies. I like ice cream. Coordinating conjunction. I like brownies and ice cream. Subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction can appear at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Some examples are after, although, even though, because, before, since, though, whether. Providing conjunction examples. I can believe in the truth provided that there is evidence to support it. I am staying in even though my friends are all going out. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are a pair of conjunction words that work together. The most common correlative conjunction are both and, either or, not only but also, neither nor. Correlative conjunction examples. An examples of a correlative conjunction would be: both Jordan and Adi made the team this year. Not only did Ellie pass these exams, but we also made a perfect score. Thank you.